prepping this header for installation here. Took our track covers off. Took the floor brackets loose off the header and the T-guide. We're ready to put it up to the ceiling, up to the header. Take it up to the header, and then we'll take a clamp, secure it in place while we get the post ready. Post into the floor bracket. Let them snap into place. And then we put the post into the header bracket. Slide it into place. Here. These posts into the other floor bracket. We're going to put our shim spacer down at the bottom. And then we'll be ready to take the clamp off the header and shim the header where we want it to be. So we use a couple clamps down the floor to hold those together so they're spaced properly for the width of the wall, which we've got a 2x6. Pull your clamp loose. You don't have to hold the header anymore. Knocking that header down so that it'll snap in securely into those brackets up there, the header brackets, into the post. And we'll start putting our shims in there to make sure that our header piece is level. This is a little bit different application because they've got this drop ceiling in here and they wanted it to come down. It's a little bit lower than our header, but our track guide will come down below that. But that doesn't allow us to get in on this other side with the shim, so you have to shim it just from one side. Installing our T-guide track guide at the bottom down here. Use spacers provided with the kit to get it right in the center. Putting the track covers back on. After we put those back on, we like to put a little toe screw from the track cover back into the split jam nailer, just to hold that in place so it stays flush. Cutting off our shim. It's going to be a done deal.